Hey everyone, if you want to share prompts in FlowGPT in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to publish and share your AI prompts with the FlowGPT community. First, sharing prompts helps other users learn faster, and it also allows you to build your profile and get recognition in the community. Start by opening FlowGPT in your browser and logging into your account. Click on the Create or New Prompt option to start building your prompt. Enter your prompt instructions clearly. Make sure it explains what the AI should do. Give your prompt a clear title and description so others can understand its purpose. Select a category like writing, marketing, coding, or education. Before sharing, test your prompt to make sure it works properly. Now click the Publish button to share your prompt with the FlowGPT community. You can always go back and update your prompt if needed. For better engagement, write clear instructions and include examples in your prompt. A common mistake is publishing unclear prompts, which leads to low usage or poor results, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to share prompts in FlowGPT in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.